Hello again, traders. For today's video, I will uncover to you a scalping strategy that will blow your mind. This trading strategy uses a combination of common indicators that is geared to make you profitable. So if you want to know more about this strategy, make sure to finish this video. But before I proceed, I appreciate it if you hit the like and smash the subscribe button. Also click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Now, let's get started. This strategy works on all small time frames, starting from 1 minute up to 15 minutes. But in order to get the best results, I recommend that you use this strategy in a 1-minute time frame. Let's proceed with the indicators. Go type in EMA and click this first option 2 times, because for this strategy, we need 2 of it. Now, for our last indicator, type in Stochastic and click this one. We need to customize these indicators, so first, click one of the EMA. In the Input section, change the length from 9 to 50. Then go to the Style section and change the color to white and make it thicker. Now for the second EMA, go to the Input section, change length to 150. And go over the Style section and change the thickness to number 2. Once done, click OK. Now go ahead to the settings of Stochastic. From the Input section, change the K percentage length to 5. The K percentage smoothing to 5, and lastly the D percentage smoothing to 5. We're done. You can now close the tab. Now look closely at the chart. If we see the price action is above the moving average, we are only taking a long position, and if we see that the price is moving below the moving average, we will be only taking a short position. Okay, if you didn't get the instructions clearly, feel free to rewind this video. While doing so, please hit the like button or even leave a comment. I would be happy to hear from you. All right, entry condition. Here are the conditions that need to be met before placing any position. First, the price action must be seen above the 2 moving averages. Please make sure that the moving averages are pointing in an upward direction. Second, the price should retest the EMA 50 or even EMA 150. Now observe the stochastic. For our last condition, the stochastic line should be seen below the 30 line. This means it is in an oversold area and ready for reversal. Entry and exit signal. Once all conditions are met, you can now place your entry position. For our entry, first, we need to wait for the stochastic to pass back up above the 30 line. Then you can enter the candle close. Put your stop loss a little lower than the previous swing low and set your target on 1.5 times the risk. Sounds easy. Let me give you another example. We can see from the chart that the price action is above the moving averages. This price action started retesting the EMA 50, and as we can see in the stochastic that both lines already cross below the 30 line. We just need to wait for it to come back up. We can see here a few minutes later that the price went above the 30 line. That's where we place our entry. That's a target hit. Let's move forward. We can see another retest of EMA 50 is seen on the chart. The stochastic crosses below 30 line. Soon it came back up the 30 line and we will now enter. That's another target hit. Now, another example is available. Unfortunately, we got stopped out. All right, let me show you how to take a short position. Look closely at the chart. We can see here that the price is approaching the EMA 50 line. We can also see that the stochastic crosses above the 70 line. At this candle, we can see that both stochastic lines cross below the 70 line. Hence, we can enter here. Wonderful, target hit. Here's another example. We can see on the chart that the price action totally pierced the EMA 150. We can enter here just at the right moment where both stochastic lines cross below the 70 line. Now that's another target hit. Backtesting. I backtested this strategy 100 times. Let me show you a glimpse of the backtesting. Now, here are the results. Look at this chart. I've tried the strategy on Bitcoin using a 1-minute time frame. The total trade range reached 16 days with 84's win rate. If you have $1,000 as capital in your portfolio and use $50 per trade with 20 times leverage, you will end up having a 51.6% increase on your portfolio size, which will total to $16 in final account size after 100 successful trades. Please take note of these 5 helpful scalping tips so you don't lose a lot of money while trading. First, trade only the most liquid asset in the market. You can stick to the Bitcoin and the Ethereum, have the most volume in the market. Second, trade only at your most convenient time. Make sure that you are focused and undistracted during this period. It can help you act and decide rationally. Third, make sure to account for fees. Fees vary on different brokerage or exchanges. It is better to look for a broker with lower fees because you will enter the market frequently and you don't want the fees to consume all your profits. Fourth, try focusing on one pair first. Scalping is intense, so it is better to put all your energy on one pair and it can give you a better chance of being successful. Fifth, make sure you follow strict money management. Since you are making so many trades a day, it is important to strictly follow it. Now that's the end of the strategy. I hope you learn more in this video. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more videos like this. As always, thank you for your time and see you on my next video.